Today we'll cover the operating procedures and precautions for the Tooltos high-power welding machine. To prevent sticking or arc drift during welding, we must pay attention to the condition of the tungsten electrode before and after welding. Maintaining a sharp tip on the tungsten electrode is crucial for successful welding. Therefore, we need to sharpen the tungsten electrode using this grinder before welding. This prevents sticking and erratic arcing. It is important to note that after performing a certain number of welds, you should also pay attention to the sharpness of the tungsten electrode and promptly perform grinding maintenance. Next, we open the joint of the welding pen. Remove the clamping chuck and insert the tungsten needle into the chuck with the tip facing outward. Adjust the reserved position of the tungsten needle. Then install the connector. Finally, attach the connector for the welding pen to complete the installation. Then open the welding pen connection port on the machine. Insert the welding pen's connecting cable into the machine's connection port. After rotating the retaining ring on the connector, the installation is complete. Now, begin installing the control valve. If you need to use a bracket, first remove the retaining ring, slide the bracket into place, then reinsert the retaining ring and tighten it securely to complete the installation. Next, remove the dust cap from the pressure relief valve and rotate the pressure gauge into place on the valve to complete the installation. Connect the control valve to the machine using an air hose. When installing the air hose, push it firmly all the way in. It will automatically lock to prevent gas leakage. This machine can be used with argon gas. Now we just need to install the regulating valve and connect it to the machine's pressure regulator. If you're also concerned about solder joints turning black after welding, argon gas might be a good solution. Argon prevents solder joints from blackening. Later, we'll compare solder joints made with and without argon gas. Now, connect the tube to the valve on the argon cylinder and secure it in place. The other end of the tube connects to the machine's pressure regulator and ensure it is pressed all the way down. Don't forget to connect the alligator clips to the spot welder. Finally, check that the air tube is properly connected to the machine and securely fastened. Plug in the power cord and turn on the switch, and the machine will start running. After startup, the welding pen will perform a self-check welding test operation. The functions on the panel are gold/cobalt chromium alloy, hybrid, pure titanium, orthodontic, degassing time. You can also customize the welding temperature and welding time based on your own experience. Adjust the position of the welding pen to a comfortable welding posture. Wear protective gloves to prevent electric shocks and burns. Now, let's compare welding with and without argon gas using this copper plate. First, use an alligator clip to secure the copper block to ensure the current flows back. Place the copper block against the tungsten needle without lifting it, and wait approximately 1.5 seconds for the soldering to complete. So now the welding without argon gas is complete. Now, let's turn on the argon gas and see what different effects it produces. Pull the cap of the pressure regulating valve upward to remove it. Then turn to the right and observe the pressure gauge needle pointing to 10. Now let's examine the differences between welds made with argon gas and those made without it. Always remember to wear safety gloves to avoid skin injuries and electric shocks. Alright, the welding comparison is quite clear. The bottom shows the result without argon gas, while the top demonstrates the effect with argon gas. Finally, always remember the importance of sharpening tungsten needles and wearing safety gloves. If you're interested in our products, you can find us at www.tooltos.com. Thank you for watching.